Good morning, this is Pratap Raju. So, lecturer in mechanical engineering, Government Polytechnic in Nandipet. So, our subject is advanced workshop technology. So, today we are going to discuss our topic about drilling. Okay, see here we have drilling. So, what are the objectives? Means what are the topics we are going to be discussed in this class. So, here we have various topics. We have the first one is what is drilling, what is the principles of drilling, and types of drilling machines, and figures of different drilling machines. Okay, and in different types. So, we have another types of drilling machine, that is portable drilling machines. So, what is the principle of sensitive drilling machine and as well as portable drilling machine, and what are the applications of sensitive drilling machine? Okay, so these are the topics we are going to discuss today. See, so first, what is drilling? So here I have a small introduction regarding about the drilling. So here it is an operation through which the holes are produced. Okay, the main purpose of this drilling is to produce the holes. Okay, so these holes can be produced in metal by rotating the tool called drill. Okay, say here we have used a tool called, that is a rotating tool. The tool you can call as a drill. Okay, so here in drilling secondary, the machining process. Okay, drilling is a secondary machining process. Okay, so the machine used for drilling is known as drilling machine. Here we have two terms, one is the drill, another one is the drilling machine. Drill is a cutting tool and drilling machine is a machine which is, by using that we can produce the hole. Okay, so this is about the small introduction about the drilling. So here we can see the figure in slide number 5. So here that is a operation we are going to be producing, that is called drilling operation. Say the drilling can be produced on the metal piece, okay, by rotating the cutting tool. Okay, so that is called drilling operation. Okay, say here in the slide number 6 we can see the various types of drilling operation. Okay, so not only drilling, so we are also produce the other drilling operations are also. So we can able to see that other operations in slides. Okay, so that is about the drilling operations. So it's a counter boring, that is. So by using this, not only you can produce the drills, we can able to produce other operations like counter boring and counter sinking. Okay, so drilling also produced by using the drilling machine. See, now coming to our topic, that is drilling. So drill can also be done in a lathe machine by holding the drill in a tailstock and work in rotating check. Okay, so not only you can able to produce the drill by using a drilling machine, so this drilling operation can also performed by other machines. Okay, so that machine a name called as the lathe. Okay, by using the lathe also you can able to produce the holes. Okay, so here how it can be produced by using the holes by using lathe machine. So here and that lathe by holding the drill. Okay, so here the lathe machine is there, that lathe machine can hold the drill in tailstock. Okay, so the lathe machine having various parts, so there is a tailstock is there and headstock is there. On the tailstock we can hold the drill, and so the work is clamped. So see, the work will be rotated against the check. Okay, so that the work can be done. Okay, so the drilling operation can be performed by using the lathe. So here another so this drilling machine can be found in assembly shops and repair shops. Generally this drilling machine can be used in assembly shops. Okay, various parts are there, they in that shop in that parts we are able to assemble. Okay, to make a one successful part. Okay, and also used in repair shops. Okay, so if you want to make to assemble the various parts, so there first you use to produce the holes, after that you can make made a joint, okay, so made the repairs. See, that operation is in drilling operations. See, the drilling machines are also useful for counter boring, counter sinking, and spot facing operations, okay, etc. So the drilling machine, as I now said, the drilling machine is also not only to produce the holes, okay, so it is also used for other operations, so like a counter boring, counter sinking, and spot facing, okay. So these all operations are also performed by using drilling machines, okay. So these all are the small discussions about the drilling, okay. So what is drilling, so what the drilling can be done by other machines, okay. So where this drilling will be used in, so this drilling will be used in assembly shops and repair shops, okay. So by using the drilling machines, they also produce the various operations like counter boring, counter sinking, and spot facing, so and etc, okay. So here now coming to our topic, so that is principles of drilling machine, okay. Actually, just note that, just only simply that, so we can able to produce the drilling, how that drill can be produced, okay. It is one of the simplest type of machine tool, okay. It is one of the simplest type of machine tool, okay. It is used for producing circular holes, okay. So the drilling machine is used for producing circular holes, okay. The hole is generated by rotating the edge of cutting tool known as drill, okay. Say here the hole can be, how the hole can be produced means, so here we are going to rotate the edge of the cutting tool, okay. So edge of the cutting tool by applying the force, then we can generate the hole. So this rotating cutting tool is, we can call as a drill, okay, can call as a drill. So here in the figure we can able to observe, so here the workpiece is there, so over which the cutting tool is there, okay. So the cutting tool will be held in a drill chuck, okay. So this cutting tool is not a stationary, it is a rotating tool against the workpiece, okay. So while rotating, so that edge of the cutting tool will be digged into the workpiece so that the hole may generate it, okay. See here the drill is held in a revolving spindle, okay. So the drill is held in revolving spindle, so the drill exerts a large force on a work and clamped on the table. See this drill will be exerts a large force on the workpiece. See, this workpiece will be clamped on the table, which will be stationary, and the cutting tool will be rotatory, okay. So that rotated cutting tool will be forced, okay, large force will be exerted on the workpiece, so that it will be digs and the metal cutting will be taken place, so that the hole may be produced, okay. So now here coming to your definitions, okay. The drilling is a process of making circular holes. Drilling is a process of making circular holes using revolving cutters, okay. So here using revolving cutters, so you can make the drilling operations. So the principle of drilling, so the hole is generated by rotating the edge of cutting tool known as drill. The hole is generated by rotating the edge of the cutting tool is known as drill. As earlier we said, okay, how the hole will be generated, that is the principle of drilling machine. So here the rotating cutting tool will be used, so that rotating cutting will be fed against the workpiece. The workpiece will be held stationary on the table, okay, so that it exerts large force, so the metal will be removing, okay, so that there is a hole may be generated. This process we can call as a drilling. So this principle is called drilling principle. Say here and that principle will be shown in the slide number 9, okay. So that is the principle of drilling machine. That picture will be shows that principle of drilling machine, okay. See here, so after drilling, so we have various types of drilling machine. So after the types of drilling, so here we have the various types of drilling machines are there. So the drilling machines are designed in different sizes and shapes. Drilling machines are designed in different sizes and shapes. They are broadly divided into the following groups, okay. See here we have the various types of drilling machines are there. So here the first type of drilling machine is portable drilling machine, okay, portable drilling machine, and second one is sensitive drilling machine. So in again sensitive drilling machines again classified into two types. There is a bench mounting, another one is floor mounting, and then third one is a radial drilling machine. So third one is radial drilling machine. So and another types continued in the next slide. So another types of drilling machine. So there is upright drilling machine. Okay, so also called as a pedestal drilling machine. See, this upright drilling machine also again classified into two types. That is a round column section, another one is box column section. Then another type of drilling machine is a gang drilling. Okay, so a gang, what is gang drilling means a number of drill heads are lined up. Okay, so the number of drill heads are lined up in a row, and they may be driven individually. They may be driven individually or in the gang is known as a gang drilling machine. Okay, so and another type of drilling machine is a multi-spindle drilling machine. Multi-spindle drilling machine. So what is multi-spindle drilling machine is it consisting of a number of drilling heads. It consisting of a number of drilling heads that are positioned at a desired location. And is most suitable for mass production. Okay, so this multi-spindle drilling machines are used for mass production. Okay, used for mass production. Why? Because it having a number of drilling heads, so that we can able to perform a number of operations at a time. Okay, so that is useful for mass production. Okay, so and then another type of drilling machines are also there. That is a deep hole drilling machine and automatic drilling machines. Say here we have the various types of drilling machines. So we will see from the right one. So the first one is portable drilling machine, and second one is sensitive drilling machine. And in this sensitive drilling machine again two types. One is bench mounting, another one is floor mounting. Okay, then radial drilling machine, this is a very important drilling machine. Then upright drilling machine. In this upright drilling machine, so we have two types. One is round column section, another one is box column section. And then next one is gang drilling machine, and multi-spindle drilling machine, and deep hole drilling machine, and automatic drilling machine. This is very important. So the types of drilling machines in examinations we can able to ask the types of drilling machines. So we are able to see here the figures. So in A and B is there. So in A there is a portable drilling machine is there, and in B there is a sensitive drilling machine. Okay, so portable drilling machine and sensitive drilling. These two machines are able to see in workshops. Okay, so at outside also it will be able to visible. And then next one is a radial drilling machine. This is a radial drilling machine. And then upright drilling machine, gang drilling machine. So these are the various types of just now we studied about the types of drilling machine. So further the related figures this one. Okay, radial drilling machine and upright drilling machines and gang drilling machines. Okay. And then next a portable drilling machine. Actually what is portable drilling machine, how it will be works. Okay, see this portable drilling machine, it is a small and compact one. It is a portable drilling machine, it is a small and compact one. Okay, so it is used to drill the holes those cannot be conveniently done on drilling machine table. Okay, and can be drilled holes up to 18 mm. Okay, so by using this drilling machine we can able to produce holes up to 18 mm. Okay, so it is used to drill the holes, so those cannot be conveniently done on drilling machines. Okay, drilling machines, whatever the drilling machine is there, that drilling machines cannot be performed, that can be performed by using this portable drilling machine. Okay, so by using the drilling machine we can able to drill holes. There is a maximum size of holes can be produced by using this drilling machine is 18 mm. Okay, 18 mm. So it is provided with a small electric motor. How it is run means it can be provided a small electric motor. Okay, so they are used for drilling operations that cannot be conveniently done the drilling machines. Okay, the name indicates itself. There is a portable drilling machine is there, which can be carry this drilling machine to at any locations. Okay, so very conveniently. So that's why this name called as a portable drilling machine. Okay, it's a very simple in construction, So it has a small motor. By using that motor, we can run the drill spindle. Okay, so here we have the various sizes of tools are available, that is called drills. So we can able to accommodate the drill. The maximum is 18 mm. Okay, so by 18 mm we can able to make accommodate by using this drilling machines. Okay, so it is convenient to carry the this machine to at any place. Okay, that is about the drilling machine. The drilling machine name called portable drilling machine. Okay, and the next one is a sensitive drilling machine. See how this sensitive drilling machine will be working. See here a small drilling machine in which the hand feed is provided by the principle of rack and pinion mechanism. Okay, so sensitive drilling machine is a hand feed device. Okay, so hand feed machine. Okay, a small sensitive drilling machine is mounted on bench. Okay, small sensitive drilling machine is mounted on bench and is referred as a bench drilling machine. Okay, these sensitive drilling machines are again two types. One is a bench drilling, another one is a bench mounting, another one is a floor mounting. Okay, see this where these drilling machines are mounted on bench, then that is referred as a sensitive bench drilling machine. Okay, if it is mounted on the floor, then that is referred as a sensitive floor drilling machine. Okay, see this drilling machine consisting of various parts, that is a vertical column which carries a swivel table. Okay, which carries a swivel table. Swivel table means it can be adjusted, it can be moved to top and bottom. Okay, so height of the table can be adjusted along the column. Height of the table can be adjusted along the column. A drive is provided at the top of the column. A drive is provided at the top of the column. Okay, so here another points we have to discuss in the sensitive drilling machine. So the drive consisting of an endless belt running over two pulleys. Okay, so it has a endless belt drive. Okay, so by using that we can able to run continuously. Okay, so one pulley is mounted on motor, another on spindle. So here the two pulleys are there, so over which the endless belt is there. So one is mounted on motor, another one is mounted on the spindle. Okay, these machines have capacity of rotating the drills of a diameter from 1.5 mm to 15.5 mm. Okay, so these are the sensitive drilling machines. See here in slide number 20, so we have a figure, so we can able to see very clearly. Say here we have the various parts. Okay, from the bottom, so there is a base is there, so the base is fixed. If it is fixed on the table, then that is referred as a table there is a bench sensitive drilling machine. Suppose it is fixed mounted on the floor, then is a floor sensitive drilling machines. Okay, so here the base is and the next one is column. This column is attached to the base. Okay, see the column clamp the table. Okay, so this table can be swiveled. Okay, so this table also can be moved conveniently, can be adjusted from top to bottom. Okay, so top to bottom, so over which the motor is there, then the god is there. Okay, see here the drill check is there. Okay, so the spindle is there, the spindle and check. Okay, so in the check, so the tool bit is inserted in the check, so the drilling tool is inserted. Okay, so here the spindle feed is there. Okay, so it is a hand feed driving machine. Okay, it is a hand feed driving machine. So once if you start the motor, so by using spindle, so by using the spindle feed, so by using that feed, we can able to provide the feed to the tool. Okay, so by it is hand operated machine. This is completely hand operated machine. So where it can be used, so it can be used in various applications. So the sensitive drilling machines are used. So this drilling and reaming, boring, counter boring, and other similar operations. Okay, so these are having other operations. So not only to produce by using this machine, by using only drilling, so it can also perform various other operations like drilling, reaming, boring, counter boring, and other similar operations are also can be performed by using these machines. See, these super sensitive drilling machines are designed to drill holes of a maximum dia of 0.35 mm. Oh, sorry, it is a minimum dia of 0.35 mm. Okay, by using this sensitive drilling machine, we can able to produce a minimum diameter, that is a 0.35 mm. Okay, so these machines rotates with the speed of so 20,000 rpm and above. So 20,000 rpm and above. So that is about the super sensitive drilling machines. So here the mainly two types we have. One is a bench mounting, another one is a floor mounting. Okay, so compared with this portable drilling machine and sensitive drilling machine, so these sensitive drilling machines can be fixed. Okay, but the portable drilling machines cannot be fixed. It can be carried to at any place. Okay, so that operation we can call as a portable drilling machine, and this can also we can call as a sensitive drilling machine. Okay, by using these sensitive drilling machines, we can able to perform the various other operations, so like drilling, reaming, boring, counter boring, and other similar operations. Okay, see here we are able to see the figure. So that is see here we have the figure, so you can able to see this. So we can able to, so these are about the various parts. Okay, so far we discussed what is drilling, principle of drilling, types of drilling machines, and different machines, and portable drilling machine, and working of sensitive drilling machines. Okay, so this is the operations. So in today class we are discussing. So the main important one is the principle of drilling. So the figure. Okay, so and types. For short answers, it may ask write the types of drilling machines. Okay, so types of drilling machines is very important. Then sensitive drilling machine. Okay, so draw the neat diagram of sensitive drilling machine and label the parts. Okay, and label the parts. So these are the various operations. Okay, so thank you. So tomorrow we will discuss the another topic. Okay, so continuation is there. So that is a radial drilling machine. So that will be discussed in tomorrow class. So thank you.